What's going on, guys? This is Craig with Tech 360, and today I'm going to show you how to backwash a swimming pool with a sand filter. Alright, as you step into our pool room, here it is right here, we have our big sand filter. It's full of sand, obviously, and we have our auto chlorinator, which is basically fill this tube up full of chlorine tablets and automatically feeds into the pool. That's one less thing we have to do. And there's our pool heater. Now, this is the valve that we're going to be talking about today. Now, all these pool valves like this are set up the same. Now, there are different valves, but this specific type is the same on all of them. Now, right up here at the top, we have filter. That's obviously if you want the water to filter through the big filter. We have waste, which is for draining. We have close, which is mainly used for like wintertime. Backwash is what we're going to be doing today, which helps clean the sand or the filters. Recirculate is basically just circulating the water without it running through the filters. We have rinse, which is another process after backwashing that gets all the leftover trash out of the sand or the filters that the backwash stirred up. Now, I cannot stress, make sure you shut the pump off before each of these steps coming up. Now, before you start, you obviously want to shut the pump off. You do not want to do this with it running, or you will blow that valve up. You're going to take that knob, you're going to push it down. Okay, you're going to take that little nub up top, spin it around clockwise, and drop it back down onto backwash. Now, once you get it on the backwash, that'll basically reverse the water back into the filter and stir all this trash up and flush it out. Once you get it there, turn the pump on, let it run for 3 or 4 minutes or however long you see fit. Then once that's done, once you get done with your time, you want to turn the pump off again. Like I said, I cannot stress, make sure you turn the pump off before each one of these steps. You're going to take this little nub right here, you're going to spin it around to rinse. Now push it down again, all the way down, and spin it clockwise and set it into rinse. Now what that's going to do is it's going to get all the leftover trash that the backwash stirred up in the filter and get it out. And then once you get it back in place, turn the pump on and let it run for another couple minutes or however long you see fit. Now, once you're done with that, once again, go down, turn your pump off. Now I understand your pump shut off may be a little different than ours, but that's how ours is set up. Shut your pump off, take that knob again, and you're going to spin it back over the filter. Push down, spin it clockwise, and turn your pump back on. Once that's, like I said before, make sure you turn the pump off before each step, and make sure you turn that thing clockwise. Don't turn it back and forth, or you'll tear the seal up that's in it, and you'll be replacing it. All right, so there you have it. There's a little quick, as quick as I can make it, little video for you guys. I know I made another one probably about a year ago. It wasn't that great. I know it didn't turn out well. It was kind of a last-minute deal. The audio wasn't good on it, but I hope this one's better for you guys. And if you have any questions or comments, comment below, and I'll do my best to get back with you. Till next time.